Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be coloring Akuma from Street Fighters, which is a drawing I did a couple days ago. I have this set of Winsor Newton watercolors that I'll be using, and then I have a medium or small brush, um, and then I have raw toilet paper to clean the brush with. Okay, I have a big problem here. The paper I'm coloring onto is a print of my original drawing, and the water and colors don't dry onto the paper as I expected, and that's a problem. So I'm using my brush to try to pick up some of the water and dry it out. I will talk a little bit about the coloring uh, process I use here. So it's for his clothing and skin and any other area of his body. Even though the clothing is really just one color, right? But I use multiple different colors, like some are brighter purple-ish color. There's blue that I use on it also, and also mixed in to create different color. To me, that makes the the look makes the drawing more um, lively. It's something I noticed in other people's watercolors. This is something I've seen other people done in their own watercolors. They may mix in different colors for, like, let's say a piece of brick could have different colors on it. And this is the same idea I'm trying on this character here. So this here, you can see the purple color I put on it creates kind of a pattern. Just because it can't, the water doesn't dry onto the paper fast enough, so it creates this spotty look, like spotty color look on it. And I like that. And for the rest of this coloring, I try to take advantage of that. So Akuma's eyes are red and glowy, and this is something I had to put in here. That's like an important for him. There's a problem with his fist. The color is a little too dark on it, and here I try to fix it by using water, trying to wash away all that dark tone on it. You see me rotate the drawing around sometimes. That's just because some angles, I can draw better depending on the situation. Sometimes it's better to draw it upside down or sideways, depending on where the brushing is to go. Oh, that was a big mistake. So you see me there, just put down a big um, black color on to the paper. But here's the thing, though. A lot of times, when we draw, we paint, we make any kind of artwork, we make mistakes. Right? This is one of those mistakes where it's actually pretty bad. Right? It's almost unfixable unless you use some kind of a white whatever color on top of it to cover it up, or cut out a piece of paper and put it on top to paste it on top. But those are the solutions I don't consider to use. It's a mistake, but what I do here is I took the opportunity. Well, any mistake can be, you can turn it into something positive, right? So this is what I'm doing here. I I saw that and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go with it. He has an aura on him, so I'm gonna make this use that to make a darker, or like some kind of a thing around him, glowy, smoky look, or like some kind of aura around him a little bit, or maybe behind him. So that actually works out quite well, and this just shows you the creative process. Sometimes something happens that you don't expect. Sometimes you can take advantage of the situation, and you know it's just an accident that you can, you know, it can go either way. You can use it to your own advantage in that way. Just finishing the eyes here, add some effects to it. Okay, so here's the end result. I quite like it. I like the texture look on it, and I think I would do a lot more of this kind of thing. You know, watercolor, maybe draw on landscape. I'm interested in doing those things, try new things. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.